Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential tutorial: how to sign into your Hotmail account in 2025. Whether you're a busy professional checking emails on the go or just rediscovering your old account, this step-by-step guide will get you logged in smoothly and securely. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have a device with a stable internet connection, like your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Hotmail, now integrated with Microsoft services, might redirect you to Outlook.com, but that's totally normal. Just follow along. Step 1. Open your favorite web browser. I recommend Chrome or Edge for the best experience, but any will work. Step 2. In the address bar, type www.hotmail.com and press enter. You'll be taken to the login page, which could look a bit modernized for 2025 with enhanced security features. Step 3. Look for the email field and enter your Hotmail address. Double-check for any typos to avoid errors. Step 4. Next, enter your password in the secure field. If you haven't updated it recently, consider doing so for better protection against cyber threats. Step 5. If two-factor authentication is enabled, which is a smart security step these days, you'll receive a verification code via text or app. Enter it promptly when prompted. Step 6. Hit the Sign In button, and you're all set. You'll land in your inbox, ready to manage emails. If you encounter any hiccups, like a forgotten password, click the Forgot Password link for easy recovery options. Remember, staying secure online is key in 2025's digital world. There you have it. That's how simple it is to sign into Hotmail. I hope this tutorial saved you time and frustration. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.